morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook bacon with spinach. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, cream cheese, oyster sauce, and then the spinach, and then bacon, garlic, onions, tomatoes, chilies, and spring onion. That bacon first because the bacon, there's an oil in it, so bacon first so that the oil will come out. Okay. Okay, so we let this bacon cook first. Look at that bacon. It's cooked already. So see the garlic. The onions. The tomatoes, the chilies, and the spring onions. Okay. Sauce. Pepper. Okay, oyster sauce. And then add a little cream cheese so that it becomes creamy. And now we're gonna add the spinach. Okay. Simmer, cover for how many minutes? And we'll be right back. Guys, so look at our spinach with bacon. Oh, look at that one. Spinach with bacon. It's tasting time. It's yummy, guys. So we're not gonna garnish this one. Okay, so that's our spinach with bacon. It's done. It's super yummy. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye. Okay.